Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by opening the server where you want privacy. Once there, tap the plus to create a voice channel and name it for the group. Make sure you select the private channel toggle during creation so only invited roles or members can join. You're doing this now to avoid changing permissions later. It saves time and prevents accidental access. After creation, add each user or role explicitly, and double-check the checkbox states so unauthorized people won't hear or join. Once done creating the channel, go into channel settings and open permissions so you can fine-tune who can connect, speak, use video, or share screen. Deny at everyone the connect permission, then add the exact roles or usernames and grant connect and speak. If you need temporary access, give a role limited permissions instead of individual invites. Make sure to check stage, video, and priority speaker toggles if needed. Finally, test with a secondary account or a trusted friend to confirm the permissions behave as expected. Now invite people via the channels invite or assign the private role you created. Avoid sharing public links. For extra security, enable server audit logs to track joins and periodically remove stale roles. If users can't join, make sure their role is above any bot or conflicting role in role settings and recheck channel overrides that might deny connect. If audio quality or connection fails, change server region or ask members to toggle voice settings. One key
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.